everyone. Myself Jay, sourcing head of Jaipur cluster. As the part of sourcing team, it is our responsibility to provide the best quality product with best margin from the manufacturers. Here in Jaipur cluster, we are bringing best quality printed ethnic wear, women's wear apparels and family wear footwear from Jaipur on Ajio business for the retailers with the best margin and best quality products. So the Jaipur is very famous for printed women's ethnic wear. Regarding to that, we are bringing on Ajio business a variety of kurtas, kurtis, long kurtas, anarkalis, shararas, kurta palazzo sets, kurta pant sets, and the number of styles which is in trends and requirement of the domestic market. In the addition of that, we have showcases around 5,000, more than 5,000 SKUs on our platform for our associate retailers who can get the product according to their price range requirement. Like to tell you about the Jaipur products which have the specialty, majorly three kind of specialty I would like to share you. First, the design, development and the variety which they keep developing every week or every day, I would say, as per the requirement of the market. Like you can see here, embroidered kurta, then a printed kurta, then a gold printed. The best part of this is all hand processed thing. Secondly, the best quality of the fabric which we are using. You can see the quality here. It is the having a very heavy GSMs of the fabric, and if you will see the detailing of the stitching, the quality of the stitching here, the quality of the stitching is very nice and justifying the product price. I would like to show you the internal overlock quality also, which give the impact of the apparel and makes it better than other low price products. So Jaipur is also famous for footwears. Basically there are two types of footwears. One is rubber based flip flops, Hawaiis, PU based chappals, men and women chappals, and the second type is handcrafted mojri and jutis, which is having festive look. From Jaipur, we are offering more than 100 plus brands which are having a price range product of 125 rupees to 800 rupees. And some of these good brands I would like to share with you are like Rangmai, jaipurkurti.com, Chlorils, Man, and many more. So when you will go and you will see the product range, you will find every kind of product in every price range which will be fulfilling the requirement of every segment of retailers. So Jaipur is also famous for footwears. Here on our platform we have bring multiple brands with very famous brands on our platform which are offering multiple low price point products which are the demand of our the retailers. Most of these brands I would like to share you are like Venus, Kodar, Toito, Vajit and Only Sony, which are having a very good variety products and having a very good response on our platform, very good quality product customer satisfaction. The second is the handcrafted jutis, which Jaipur is famous for Jaipuri jutis. The major brands from Jaipur are like Moji Art and Crafts, Myra, Paduki and Fence Stars. So in this COVID-19 situations where the buyer and the retailers are not able to move around and do their transaction as per the requirement, Ajio business has bring the facility to shop as per their requirement and providing the product next to the door. We are making sure that the quality product with the best margin and in time delivery is happening in these situations. I would request you to please keep shopping on ajiobusiness.com and be safe. Happy buying.